Sinigang mix, guys. Let's go na, guys. Say hello to my vlog. Here we go again on top of the mountain. Can't you imagine may kantina na dito sa mountain area. Look at the view, guys. There you go. There's Makanakan, guys. Oh my God. Nakabut-buting mit ti magnagayam dito, guys. Pasensya kayo, tamadik mo may street tag ni Ilocano ag Tagalogin. English pa, madipay. Just like a Baguio style na ang mga bata, ang mga bahay dito, guys. Ano ba yan?
The old house naman. Ito na.
No, this is the whole house. No more na. There you go. Wow, ang ganda ng bahay dito, guys. There you go, on top of the mountain. Hi. Hi, hello po. Ni Madam Ngay. Ni Madam Maripe Wantay.
Awampay, madam.
Okay.
Kapsat na ta.
Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.
Ryan na kayo.
Ay, yeah. Okay, we're now. Okay. Hi, how are you? Kumusta kayo? Wow, ah. Wow, ha. This is our lolo. Oh, this is my lolo, guys. We're living on top of the mountains. Guys, look at that. Diba, ang ganda. Wow, see? Anong oras na? Alas 6:30 na, guys. Ito pa rin ang araw dito sa Hocapon, Villa Verde, Nueva. Kaya, and now I receive an invitation for the wedding. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're heading back home na. Thank you. Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Tingnan nyo mga bahay dito, guys. Malalaki na. And of course, my hipag is with me. Hello. Diba? Hi, hello.
Hello.
Anong gusto nyong makabili dyan? Oh, everywhere is my small store here.
Bakit?
In fairness, even though I live here and come here all the time, ngayon lang ako napunta dito.
Ay, ganon.
Yes, I never come in this area kasi every time we go home, diretso lang po sa bahay, car, go to the city, and of course, to see my brother and sister somewhere in the city. Kaya ito, guys, I'm going to bring you in my small hometown where my mom lives. Ito na ang mga bahay dito. Never expect na ang lalaki na ang bahay dito, guys. And you know, guys, on top of this house, dun sa the back of this mountain, marami pang mga bahay dyan. Kaya, can't you imagine, ito rin may bahay, OFW din, guys. Bumalik na siya. And of course, they have a very small business din para hindi lang lahat nagtatrabaho sa overseas. Diba? So, here we go. This is the car park na. This is the small house, my neighbor's house, somewhere here in Hocapon. My mom's neighbor. Para ito yung bodega ng mais, coffee, everything before. Kaso nga lang we asked them to stop doing business kasi mga matatanda lang ang nandito. And here we go. This is my mom's place. And there you go again. There's the car park of my mom. And that's the big house right over there. Kaya ito, andito na naman. This is the main road going to the city. And of course, this our neighbor. Diba? Ang social. This is mountainous, guys. See, ang ganda-ganda. Look at that. Diba? Ang ganda dito, guys. Super ganda. And all this fresh thingy here. Fresh air and everything. Fresh air. I have to heading back in the house na. Kasi naghihintay na ng mabiling. Oh, no. We bought some of the thing. Andito na si Marcus. This is our beautiful Marcus. Marcos, hindi President Marcos. This is another dog. So sweet dog. Kamukha ko to dog. Marcos. I'm gonna feed you later. And there you go. That's my dad's feeding the dogs. Kaya pala. Nagugutom na sila. And of course, we're going back down na. Ito na ang plants ng dad ko. This is the dad's house. Diba? Yes. Nagpapakain na ng aso ang dad ko. And of course, there you go. Here we go. Nandito na tayo sa bahay ng parents ko. Okay, there we go. That's all for today's guys. Hope you enjoy watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. I love you all. God bless and see you later. Goodbye.